Hello, research rockstars! Ready to earn some cash by making complex information simple? Welcome to the fourth episode of our series, 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Today, we're talking about how to turn your ChatGPT skills into a money-making machine by offering summarized research reports. Whether it's helping students, professionals, or small businesses, there's a world of people out there who need digestible info without the hassle of digging through endless data. Let's show them the way and make some money while we're at it. We live in the age of information overload. Everyone's got questions, but who has the time to go through lengthy reports, white papers, or hours of research? That's where you come in. With ChatGPT, you can offer well-crafted, concise, and professional research summaries that save your clients time and stress. And the best part? This service is high in demand, easy to deliver, and pays really well. Step 1. Choose your niche. Before diving in, decide who you want to serve. Here are some examples. 1. Students. Help with academic topics, essays, and project summaries. 2. Professionals. Create market analysis, business insights, or tech trend reports. 3. General audience. Summarize news, book chapters, or documentaries for busy readers. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create summaries. This is where the magic happens. Use ChatGPT to 1. Extract key points. Copy-paste a report or article and ask ChatGPT for a concise summary. 2. Organize the information. Request headers, bullet points, or a pros and cons format for clarity. 3. Make it reader-friendly. Use ChatGPT to simplify jargon or technical terms into plain language. Example prompt. Summarize this 20-page report on renewable energy trends into 3 key takeaways for a general audience. Step 3. Find your clients. Where do you find people who need research summaries? Try these. 1. Freelance platforms. Create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork offering summary services. 2. LinkedIn. Reach out to professionals and businesses who might need quick insights. Step 4. Set your rates. Your pricing depends on the depth of research and the size of the report. Start with 1. $20 to $50 for a basic 1 to 3 page summary. 2. $100 or more for detailed multi-topic reports or market research. Pro tip, offer quick turnaround times as a premium service for higher rates. Step 5. Deliver professional results. Impress your clients by delivering top-notch summaries. Here's how. 1. Provide a clean and structured document with headings and bullet points. 2. Highlight key takeaways or recommendations at the end. 3. Always double-check your summaries for accuracy and completeness. Clients will love working with you if they can see the value you bring to their time and decision-making process. Pro tip, expand your services. Take your business further by offering 1. Customized visual summaries, like charts or infographics. 2. Add-on services like deeper research or related recommendations. 3. Subscription models for clients who need regular summaries. And there you have it, another genius way to earn with ChatGPT. By providing summarized research reports, you're not just saving people time, you're helping them make smarter decisions. If you're enjoying this series, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's a topic you'd love to research and summarize for clients? Stay tuned for the next episode of 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. You won't want to miss it. Until then, happy summarizing and happy earning.